Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Atika Maisari. Today, I will like to present about my research entitled The Use of Jaranan Tronggoyakso Values to Shape the Character of Elementary School Students. So the first point is introduction, and the second one literature review, and then methodology, and then discussion, and the last one conclusion. Introduction. Globalization brings a considerable impact in all aspects of life in Indonesia. The presence of globalization cannot be separated from positive and negative impact. The positive impact as a result of the flow of globalization can certainly bring the Indonesian nation toward to the path of progress of nation. The negative impact will have a bad influence, especially in the socio-cultural field. Some of the negative impact of globalization in the social field are the disappearance of indigenous cultures, change in lifestyle, exploitation of natural resource often appears. And the fading and emergence of lifestyle change must be anticipated by the government. One of which is through the implementation of learning based on the national noble cultural values. The negative impacts of globalization can basically be minimized by preserving the noble culture of the Indonesian nation and integrating it into character-based learning activity. And building the character of participants based on local cultural wisdom from an early age through education is considered the right step as long as the local wisdom does not conflict with the values of Pancasila, and local cultural wisdom needs to be maintained to strengthen the character of the nation children. So education based on local wisdom can be a tool for cultural socialization to the younger generation so that a sense of appreciation for local art is for the red as a provision to minimize the negative impact of global currents. And then literature review, Pancasila value. Pancasila is the foundation of the state and the views of the Indonesian people. As the ideology of the Indonesian nation and state, Pancasila is a crystallization of the values of customs, cultural and religious values contained in the view of life in Indonesia. There are the values contained in the 5 precepts of Pancasila. The first one, God Almighty in Indonesia, ketuhanannya Maha Esa. The second one, just and civilized humanity. In Indonesia, kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab. And then Indonesian Union, or Persatuan Indonesia. And then citizenship led by wisdom in deliberation representation, or kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan. And the last one, social justice for all Indonesian people, or keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia. Jaranan Tronggoyakso as a local wisdom. Jaranan Tronggoyakso is original art from Trenggalek, which means a form of gratitude to God Almighty for avoiding calamities and disasters in the area, and for the success of farmers in harvesting their gardens. So, Jaranan Tronggoyakso as a local wisdom has many good values that can deserve to be instilled in the younger generation so that they can form the character of the Indonesian people. Okay. Next, methodology. This study adopted a descriptive, qualitative research approach. Briefly, this research will describe the problem, namely the relationship between local wisdom and character values for strengthening strengthening student characters. The study took the subject of public elementary school students, Trikantru, Trenggalek District, Trenggalek Regency, East Java. This research used observation and interview methods, and the validity of the data in this study was carried out using the triangulation technique. And discussion. Jarana Tronggoyaso dance has important meaning and values that can be learned and applied in social life. The values contained in Jaranan Tronggoyakso include religious values, related precept 1 of Pancasila, the value of harmony, relate precept 3, value of mutual cooperation, relate precept 3, gratitude value, relate precept 1, hard work value, relate precept 5, productivity value, relate precept 2, humble value, relate precept 4, and curiosity value, relate precept 2. Barriers to the internalization of Pancasila value based on the Jarana Tronggoyaso dance. Internalization of Pancasila values based on the Jarana Tronggoyaso dance requires a long process and time. The process of internalizing Pancasila values based on the Jarana Tronggoyaso dance was not short. A continuous process is needed not only once or twice to instill this value so that students can apply this value in everyday life. Lack of teacher reference in instilling Pancasila value based on the Jarana Tronggoyaso. Not all teachers understand and instill Pancasila value based on Jarana Tronggoyaso. So, because of the lack of reference and understanding of how to instill value in student. Conclusion. The core value of Jarana Tronggoyaso is cooperation and religious values so that we obey God's commands. The value are related to the values of Pancasila and can be internalized into world of education, especially in elementary school. The internalization of these values will become a habit so that students have noble character. The implementation of the internalization of Pancasila values based on the local wisdom of Jarana Tronggoyakso at the State Elementary School Trikantru, Trenggalek District, Trenggalek Regency, East Java has been carried out well, although it has not indicated optimally. Even so, it is still necessary to strengthen the value and add the subject of research to become wider. Well, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.